Bwanyuma ya Dr. Diana Twine or permanent secretary of Ministry y'Amagara kubahandikira ngo batagaruka ku emibazi omusongore cha Joint Medical Stores ahabwo kuremwa okoze emibazi kongobwa hati abebembezi bagira ngo tikishikire okubihaho eby'amagara.
Because we are all aware the reports are being made. Even if you went there today, you would find so many sick people admitted. But then the government is taking a decision of withdrawing the medicine from the people, the sick people who are admitted. We are all wondering what type of method of work is this.
Meaning that this is an invitation to the people of the mountains to die.
She erred, because this is a budget that was proved. When she made these adjustments, we were not consulted. That was an error. According to Public Finance and Accountability Act, Section 12, she erred.
General Kabasongora urikurira irwaro rya Kilembe Mines nagira ngo kwiha okwakana kumwako gwawire tebakatungaga emibazi bwanyuma ya code eyibabire nibatungiraho obwire bwayo okwaho bakabura kujigaruza busi.
Reached there severally, even the cow recommended us to go for those drugs. So we don't know why we reached there in November and the letter appears yesterday that we have not consumed. Yet we are in dire need. Is there a hospital which doesn't consume drugs? A government hospital, supported hospital?
The reason they gave was that the Joint Medical Store did communicate that there were drugs which had not been utilized by Kilembe Hospital. And they had not utilized the drugs because the cow had written that the drugs be released, and the drugs were not released. So we were wondering what this person was basing on.
Irwaro rya Kilembe Mines rikaterwa omutunga omwaka gw'2020 ahi batandikire kukorera omutawuni ya KASESE omubyombeko bya KASESE Diocese konka okwezi kwa kana omwaka gwahwire bakija bagaruka omuri Kilembe aharubaju rwahi babire nibakorera bitu na hati tebakatunga gamibazi nobwo abarwire nibija kutunga obuhereza.
President Yoweri Museveni, I know you have a heart for the mothers. Their plight is in your hands. Please come to our rescue and let the hospital continue operating in Kilembe area but not deactivated it.
Irwareri niragurira abantu abarukurengo muri Ghana buri zoba kandi no government etwirenerha emibazi honne twirenetunge ndijo okurugo mu mpabuhwezi nka donors kandi kwiha ministry eyemereza okuhereza emibazi abarwire babona bwine. Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.